Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing quick review of these Xbox controller battery packs. It's a 4-pack with one charger. They have a large charge of 2600 milliamps and the charger can even charge standard nickel metal hydride and nickel cadmium batteries. And so here's the box and what we get. You can see 1 pack, 2 packs. Then we get the charger with more packs. And so here it is, nicely protected, as you can see, beautiful one. So here we have the 3rd pack and here we have number 4. And so I'm here with an Xbox 360 controller, Xbox One controller. By the way, here also some information in the back. The model type is KB-N2. And when it comes to powering this charger, then we have the absolute highlight here because there are 3 different options how we can charge this charger or power this charger. We have this built-in USB-A plug with the cable, so we can plug it in anywhere, or we can use the micro USB port here in the front or the USB-C port. So I'm plugging this one here. And so on the left side we have the minus, right side is a plus. We have also here minus and the plus. So we just push it here inside and we get the red light. And of course we can charge 2 of them at the same time. Here also some detailed specs about the battery. You can see there are nickel metal hydride. There are actually single cells here inside. So they are connected and combined to a block. Really nice. And when they are fully charged, we see a green light, which we don't have here, but I can't wait to test them. So again, we have the plus here. That's the Xbox One controller. You can see we can just push it here inside easily and still use the normal standard cover. And we turn it on with a long press and it's working as normal. And so here we are at the Xbox 360 controller and you can see it has these single holders. So this is definitely not going to work. I don't know if there are different battery holders, but for the normal standard Xbox 360 controllers, it's not working. But here for this controller, and I think for all the newer ones, it's working without any problems. And so let's also check if we can charge some standard nickel metal hydride batteries. I'm pushing them inside and as soon as we have 2 goes into red and it's charging. So we can charge also these rechargeable nickel metal hydride or nickel cadmium batteries. The problem with rechargeable batteries for such controller is always the same thing. As a parent, you want your children to use rechargeable batteries, but the problem is when you give them such batteries, they think they are disposable batteries like this, and when they are empty, they will put it into the garbage and then your investment is lost. When you give them something like that, charging station with these batteries, they will always realize that they are rechargeable batteries and that they are not normal disposable batteries. This can also help to protect your investment. This charger comes also with another great feature to help you to stay safe. They have added this safety notch here in the back, and so when you want to push it accidentally like that, you will feel that something is not right. They will still make contact, but you can feel it that something is not right, and you will turn it around and then push it in like that. The good thing is also you can rotate it by 180 degrees and charge it as normal, because here we have the plus. When we turn it around, there will be still the plus here on this side. So really awesome, works for all the controllers without the old Xbox 360. I really love the thing, how flexible this is, and so I can give you full recommendation. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.